You know how they say it takes a village? At Shopify, we like to say that behind every merchant, there's an entire ecosystem. An ecosystem of developers, designers, and founders with a powerful suite of APIs and developer tools at their fingertips, all focused on making commerce better for everyone. In 2020, commerce accelerated 10 years in a matter of months, and the need for innovation accelerated along with it. In the same time frame, Shopify partners earned over $12 billion, a jump of 84%. And we're just getting started. Millions of merchants are depending on you. This is our moment to create the future we want. One with more entrepreneurs, more voices, more choice. Shopify is the platform to flex your creativity and build solutions for every part of commerce. Integrate seamlessly into Shopify's admin, online store, checkout, and more through expansive GraphQL and REST APIs. Embed your app's features with AppBridge. Create high-quality experiences with the ready-to-build Polaris component library. And Shopify's making the opportunity even better by offering 0% rev share on the first million you earn every single year. It's never been a better time to build for millions of merchants around the world and become a developer entrepreneur on Shopify. Join the App Challenge now and help us build the future of commerce. It's going to take an ecosystem. Are you in?